YouTube, what is going on, you guys? All right, back at it here at lunchtime with another video. Yeah, how's everyone doing out there, man? Hope everyone's doing good, staying safe out there. So yeah, just wanted to come back at you and I've previously done a video where I used a product called Gtechniq C4. And so what that stuff is a trim restorer. But it's a little pricey. I think it was like 50 bucks for the bottle. So it's like, one-time use. Pretty much you use the whole bottle for your car one time. It does last quite a long time. My trim here is still looking pretty good from the last time I used it. But, I found another product which is a lot less expensive, right? So it's not 50 bucks. I think it was like, gosh, I want to say 20 bucks, $19.99 or so. I wanted to show you this product. This is just a great way to keep your plastic, trim looking, as dark as possible, right? Especially with the black, right? You want to keep it like really nice and dark and black and shiny, keep it looking new, right? Because this stuff does get dry and it does fade quite easily, right? So especially like if you live in a, desert area, Arizona, Nevada and stuff, it's really, really harsh sun out there, a lot more harsh than here in California. So this stuff, it really helps tremendously, man. And it keeps it, nice and dark and black for a very, very long time. So, and I'll pop up the hood here and I'll show you, even the trim, all the plastic trim around your car, right? So you have a lot of, black trim here on the base of the windshield, your mirror trims and all that stuff, right? So everywhere you have this black trim on your bumper and stuff, right? So with that, let me open up the rear here and I can show you this product. I thought it was quite amazing, this Cerakote trim coat here. And these are little wipes. This is exactly how it comes. I bought it off of Amazon, I believe. In the package, you get all these little wipes that come in their, respective little packages so that you can use, how many ever you need. It comes with these plastic gloves so you don't get it on your hand. It does smell a little bit. It does have a little chemical smell on it, so definitely need to wear your gloves. But as you can see, there's quite a few packages in there, so that way, you can do a couple of cars. If you have a couple cars, or if you have just one car, it's going to last a very, very long time. So you just want to clean off your trim, make sure it's nice and dry. And you see down here with a glove, and then you just kind of apply it on the trim. One thing I do want to mention though is if you get it on your on your car panels, right, you want to make sure to clean it off like as soon as possible, right? So have an extra rag with you, so that way as you're putting it on here, for sure you're going to get it on your car, right? So use a rag to kind of wipe it off, because this stuff does seal, once it dries, it's a sealer, right? So it's going to seal whatever you put on there, so you'll be able to see the the chemical on your car. So you want to make sure to wipe it off and you should be good to go, right? So with that, I'm going to let me pull up the hood here so I can show you the hood. So here we go. So see all that stuff, man, there's a lot of trim, right? And especially this stuff, this is probably the one that gets dry the quickest. But all this stuff right here, man, you can just once over with your little wipes, and it's going to do wonders for you, man, I'm telling you. So yeah, I mean, that's if you're interested in doing that. If not, that's cool too. But for me, I really like to keep my cars in very tip-top shape. I'm going to do the exact thing to the Mustang. So, this will apply to any car, right, that has this trim, right? Just kind of wanted to show you guys, and You know, I'm gonna apply one here and then I'll come back and just kind of show you again what it looks like. All right, so stay tuned, man. All right, YouTube, we got it done. Yes, I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell here, but here in this section here, you see the sun hitting the bumper right there, nice and shiny. I did the little front grille down underneath here as well. That guy's all done. The trim up here, all the black trim around the car, man. You see how it's shiny, still nice and wet. So yeah, just let it cure. Don't wash your car after you do this. Let it cure for at least 24 hours. All the way around here. See how it's nice and shiny, man? It gives it that really dark black finish. Up here on the mirror trim as well. Got these guys all done. All the trim underneath the mirror. So yeah, let's take a look at the rear here. Here's the rear. Nice and dark black. That's awesome. And you know, it really makes your car stand out even more, right? Whatever color your car is, right? It doesn't matter, because you know, if it has the black trim on it, with that black trim contrasting, you know, the color of your car, it really looks great, man. It looks awesome. That's pretty much it, you guys. Just kind of wanted to share this with you. Got this guy done as well. As you can see, the nice shiny mirror there. I'll leave it in the description below, so in case you're interested, by all means, man, go for it. It's a great way to keep your car, you know, looking fresh and new, man. So all right, you guys, so with that, we'll end it, man. Thank you all for subscribing. Please hit that like button, man. I really appreciate it. Leave a comment, man. Have you guys used this stuff before, or did you use something else? Let us know, man. All right, you guys, thanks for watching, man. Stay safe. Peace.